Time out muna tayo sa quarterfinal series ng Governor's Cup sa PBA. Tuhayan natin ang dumayo na nagngangalang Sonicboom na kung saan hinarang ng 8-time MVP na si Abay Junmar Fajardo ang nagtatangkaran at halimaw sa loob at labas ng court. Dito lang yan sa nag-iisang pirata ng YouTube industry, ang Sindicato Channel. Kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, subscribe mo na para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong videos.
And the tip-off. Oh, that's right.
And then
One
Adams
game.
again, but got hurt eventually.
2-1 now on the board. They're up by 1. Fajardo. And this year, more than ever, Coach Ronnie, Fajardo has been taking more.
Remember the most recent World Cup, given the
Now, dumps it down low. Fajardo. My good. Perez with an open court, and CJ Perez will.
stay in front of Toon.
And Hoon. Layup earlier. They go to Miller. First back.
Pwede humag-debug sa Tornado.
Here's Anosike. As Ha will enjoy a pristine pass. Inject energy the way Ha has. Here's Tillman.
For Sonic Boom.
Here's Miller. We'll take it from the outside. Ross on Ho is the ultimate sign of respect. That
Stops the run by San Miguel, cuts the lead to 4. Reinforcements. It's again by 4.
and that's now 7 turnovers for San Miguel. Anosike will fit. Ha.
Nice pass.
Inside pass. Ayungi ahead of everyone. In the second quarter, Rosales decides to put board forward to Anosike. Touchdown. Their captain, falling away. But really has had a forgettable evening so far. What a
Smart.
move. The swing. Hammonds will try from
The third for a total of 14.
Perez. Spins past the defense.
J. Perez cuts the lead to 1.
Hammonds, open lane, will finish. Like you said, to Busan.
Busan, right?
Anosike. Whatever Coach
Suwon
Song
rather, Suwon
Yong-jin,
KT.
yeah, whatever Coach Song Yong-jin said.
Playing tougher defense as well.
And we won again.
Points in the quarter for Anosike for a total of 28 to lead all scorers.
But they, with 3 to shoot, leads it for Fajardo. Hammonds
Wow.
gets it on the Roliano. He loves this move.
Yeah.
Lassiter.
Outscored here in the quarter. by
Here's the
San Miguel.
Koreans. That's a set. Hoon
What a
going
pass.
to Hammond.
The second and third quarters.
And Fajardo will be a Suwon KT taking the win. Sanmiguelbeermenvssonicboom.